The importance of a friend in our lives is immense. They are always with us, they show us the right path, and we share that special bond with them, isn't it? So, what if I tell you that there are BFFs, that is, best friends forever, even in the lives of animals? As surprising as it may sound, but this is true. So, in the Plants Education Series, Season 5, Episode 2nd, I present to you the Jay and Veerus in the animal kingdom. So, let's get started. In nature, animals sometimes form that special bond between each other, which is called mutualism. Now, mutualism can be of two types. The first one, that is facultative mutualism. Facultative means the animals are dependent on each other, but they could survive without each other also. And the other one is obligate mutualism. In this, the animals couldn't survive without each other. So let's see who are these Jay and Veerus. Let's find out. The next one in our list is ostriches and zebras. Together, they confuse the predators. Ostriches have excellent smell but poor eyesight, whereas the zebras have excellent eyesight but poor smell. Together, they work and they confuse the predators and stay safe.
Hello everyone, I'm Counselor Kiran Hiranandani. Pistol shrimps and gobies. Pistol shrimps and gobies. Shrimps digs and maintain burrows for both, while gobies act as a sentinel warning the shrimp of danger and potentially providing a food source through its droppings.
Hello friends, this is Swati Gawande with Pallavi Divekar. Corals and algae. Corals may look like rocks or plants but are actually marine animals. As the corals grow, they acquire algae from the environment. Corals provide shelter and essential nutrients to the algae during photosynthesis, while the algae provides synthesized sugar and oxygen on which the corals feed.
Seneca cactus and Seneca moth. Now, this Seneca cactus only blooms in the night. And in nights, as we all know, that butterflies or other insects aren't that much active. So the only moth that can pollinate the flowers of this Seneca cactus is Seneca moth, which collects the pollen and nectar from the cactus flower and then helps in pollination. In return, the as you can see the mutual bonding, right? The cacti get pollinated and the Seneca moth gets its food. So this is the only species of moth that can pollinate Seneca cactus.
Aphids and ants. Ants feed on the honeydew produced by aphids and may offer them protection in return. Aphids are little sap-sucking insects that secrete honeydew, a sugary liquid that is the waste product of their diet. In return, some species of ant will protect the aphids from predators and parasites.
Clownfish and anemones. Anemones are flower-like marine animals. Anemones provide protection and nesting site for clownfish. In return, clownfish keep them free of parasites, provide them nutrients through their feces, which stimulates the growth of beneficial symbiotic algae within the anemones.
The next one is honey guides and humans. Honey guides is type of a bird, and as the name suggests, it guides us to the beehives. While we work on the beehives for honey, the discarded material, that is the eggs, the larvae, and the beeswax present in the beehives is the food for honey guides. So this honey guide birds gives calls and guides us, or have been known to guide to the beehives, and both the parties benefit by each other.
Woolly bats and pitcher plants. Pitcher plants are carnivorous plants that use nectar at the rim of the tube-like structure to attract prey such as insects and small vertebrates. Woolly bats are known to roost inside the plants. While the bats gets hidey hole to rest in, the plant benefit by catching the guano that the mammal produces, which provides the plants with the nutrients they need to survive.
Hello friends, this is Swati Gawande with Pallavi Divekar. Ox pickers as large mammals. Ox pickers feed on grazing animals like wild beasts, rhinos, zebras. Ox pickers feed on parasites such as ticks and blood-sucking fleas, keeping the parasites under control in mammals. Whereas the birds gets easy meal and even will raise an alarm and warn their host of impending danger. Birds have known to help the host such as rhinos, whereas short-sighted to evade humans and other things coming in their way.
The next one is egrets and buffaloes. We all might have seen the white colored egrets sitting on buffaloes, picking the insects or harmful parasites like ticks present on the skin of the buffaloes. While the bird gets food, the buffaloes are free from parasitic insects. The same goes for crocodiles and plovers. Plover is also a kind of bird that feeds or sits on crocodiles and feeds between the remnant food present in between the teeth of the crocodile. So, in return, the crocodile provides protection to the bird also. The same is true for sharks and remora. Now, remora is a type of suckerfish. The process is again same. So you can see the mutualism here also. Mutualism has been existing since ages, and it has been proven very beneficial to both the species involved. I hope you liked this episode, and thanks for watching.